amanpreetk from HotDeals360, and today we are going to do full face of makeup by only using lipstick. Okay, so firstly ना, this is my bag of lipsticks and इसमें मेरी सारी lipsticks पड़ी हैं. बाकी मेरे हैंडबैग में ये ना मेरा हैंडबैग, और हैंडबैग से मेरी जितनी लिपस्टिक्स निकालते हैं, लेट्स सी कि कितनी मेरे वन टाइम डेली वेयर वाले हैंडबैग में होती है लिपस्टिक. 1 2 3 4. There was one more, I remember. There are 4 usually. One is missing. I don't know. I think it's in the other handbag. Okay, so ये 4 lipsticks होती है मेरे handbag में, and वो है one is brown, second one is nude, third one is pink, and the last one is red. Just in case if I have to go somewhere fancy, so I'll just put this on and we'll be ready. So अब let's see कि how to do पूरा face of makeup by just using lipstick. बाकी lipsticks में बाकी handbags और इधर उधर पड़ी है, so ये थोड़ी सी है. Okay, so firstly which ones to use अभी? I want to go full on fancy right now. पहले हम सबसे पहले कॉन्टूर करते हैं. सो दिस इज अ ब्राउन लिपस्टिक. आई थिंक इट्स गुड इनफ. This is all I contour. Next, blush. मेरा favorite. This is something I already do क्योंकि मुझे powder blush I feel कि इतना effective नहीं लगता और इतना natural नहीं लगता. So I use this red lipstick from Maybelline, and all I do is थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया शायद. Wait, we'll blend it. What? ज़्यादा हो गया. Looks like monkey का bum. Oh God. I'm going to keep blending it unless वो natural लगे. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया, but I think this is okay. Is this looking fine? I feel it. इसको थोड़ा ये पिंकिश मारे, इसको थोड़ा रेड कर देते हैं. This is another red lipstick from Bare Essentials. Okay. भी कैसा you are perceiving it, but I feel this is all natural and this feels okay enough. Okay, next. Highlighter can we do? No. Okay, I have a purple lipstick, so let's do eyes purple. This is a purple lipstick from NYX and इसका नाम है Seoul. I'm scared for this. I just hope this is not a mistake. So far so good. Okay, this side is looking so good. Oh my god, I love it. ये मैं डेली यूज में करना शुरू कर दूंगी अब. This is a good hack, guys. Thank me. Let's put थोड़ा सा oil. So far so good. Next, what should we do? Brown eyeliner, let's do. Okay, brown only let's do. बहुत subtle सा. It looks very subtle. I hope कि मेरे पास black lipstick होती तो फिर I could have done it properly, but I don't have a black lipstick. This is just fine. What else? I feel this is good enough. And अब lipstick लगाएंगे. क्योंकि आईज और पॉप करे आई फील मुझे थोड़ी मरूनिश लिपस्टिक लगानी चाहिए फॉर द सेम. सो दिस इज द मरून लिपस्टिक. this video, share this video and subscribe to HotDeals360. Bye! Big hoops और polka dots के साथ मेरे को तो retro vibe आ रहा है. क्या आपको आ रहा है?